Avoid these 9 vegetables if you have diabetes. Imagine yourself seated at a family gathering, enveloped in the enticing aroma of a homemade meal, eagerly awaiting your turn to dish up. Suddenly, a question arises: which vegetables should you select to effectively manage your diabetes? Diabetes, akin to a complex puzzle, disrupts your body's blood sugar regulation, manifesting symptoms like excessive thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, and unanticipated weight loss when mismanaged. But fear not, we're here to illuminate the vegetables that demand caution, the ones capable of playing havoc with your blood sugar levels. Picture them as devious troublemakers, ready to send your glucose levels on a tumultuous roller coaster ride. By steering clear of these cunning culprits, you pave a smoother path towards diabetes management. Let's not overlook the gravity of this condition. Uncontrolled blood sugar levels can precipitate severe health complications, including nerve damage, kidney issues, heart problems, and vision impairments. Making informed choices is paramount to maintaining optimal blood sugar levels and mitigating these risks. Today, we embark on a journey steeped in scientific inquiry to uncover the truth about vegetables to avoid for those with diabetes. So, pull up a chair and join us as we delve into the intriguing realm of vegetable selection for diabetes management. 1. Corn. Corn, a commonly used ingredient in many dishes, isn't recommended for individuals with diabetes. Even in modest quantities, consuming just a cup of corn can introduce roughly 21 carbohydrates into your system, potentially disrupting your blood sugar levels. Additionally, corn contains glucose, compounding its adverse effects on blood sugar regulation. Likewise, corn syrup, extracted from this vegetable, should be steered clear of due to its similar risks. 2. Potatoes. For individuals with diabetes, potatoes are best avoided. Loaded with starch and carbohydrates, they have the potential to drastically affect your blood sugar levels, boasting a hefty glycemic index of 86 per 100 grams. Whether baked, fried, boiled, or roasted, their impact remains consistent. Therefore, it's wise to take a break from potatoes and explore alternative vegetable choices that align better with diabetes management. Your blood sugar levels will undoubtedly appreciate the switch. 3. Green peas. While green peas do provide valuable nutrients, they aren't the most suitable option for individuals managing diabetes. The issue lies in their high carbohydrate content. Consuming excessive peas can lead to a buildup of carbs in your body, resulting in elevated blood sugar levels. Despite their appealing taste, it's crucial to consider their effect on blood sugar when dealing with diabetes. 4. Butternut squash. While rich in nutrients and fiber, butternut squash may not be the ideal choice for blood sugar management. This vibrant vegetable is notably high in carbohydrates, potentially interfering with your efforts to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. It behaves like a disruptive obstacle on your path to stability. Therefore, if you're contending with fluctuating blood sugar levels, it's advisable to avoid this vegetable altogether. In such circumstances, the drawbacks of consuming it outweigh the benefits. 5. Yam. While these root vegetables may appear enticing, it's crucial to understand their impact on blood sugar levels, especially if you're mindful of them. Yams, in particular, are abundant in carbohydrates, with a glycemic load of approximately 9.1 per 3/4 cup. This figure signifies a considerable potential effect on blood sugar levels upon consuming this quantity of yams. Categorized as starchy vegetables, yams harbor simple carbohydrates that swiftly enter the bloodstream, potentially leading to a rapid surge in blood sugar levels. We aim to avert such abrupt spikes. 6. Celery. Celery stands out as a prudent option due to its low calorie count, minimal carbohydrates, and high water content. Yet, its safety isn't solely determined by its inherent qualities, rather, it hinges on its cultivation and transportation practices. Given its tall stature, celery is more vulnerable to pesticide exposure throughout its journey from farm to table. Consequently, it frequently accumulates harmful chemicals and pesticides, posing a risk, particularly for individuals with diabetes and compromised immune systems. Consumption of such pesticide-laden produce may potentially lead to a range of health complications. 7. Broad bean. Let's delve into another member of the bean family, broad beans, also known as fava beans. While these beans offer a delectable taste, they warrant consideration, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. They pack a significant caloric and carbohydrate punch, with most of their carbohydrate content comprising sugar. Just a cup of broad beans contains roughly 12 grams of sugar, posing a concern for those needing to monitor their blood sugar levels carefully. It's akin to encountering an unexpected sweet treat that disrupts balance. Moreover, broad beans boast relatively high calorie content, with a single cup amounting to approximately 111 calories. For individuals conscious of weight management and overall health, it's crucial to remain mindful of calorie intake. 8. Pickled vegetables. Let's explore a topic that emphasizes the significance of mindful decisions, especially when managing a lifestyle disorder. It's essential to recognize that not all vegetables are inherently healthy, and a specific preparation method warrants attention: pickled vegetables. This intriguing process involves soaking vegetables in high levels of sodium for an extended duration. The excessive use of salt and vinegar during pickling can have adverse effects, particularly on blood pressure. For individuals with diabetes, who already face an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, excessive sodium intake can further aggravate the situation. 9. Packaged vegetable juice. Although they may appear as convenient alternatives to fresh vegetables, it's crucial to grasp their potential drawbacks, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Whether it's carrot juice, bottled gourd juice, tomato juice, bitter gourd juice, or any other variety, caution is warranted with store-bought options. These packaged juices often contain high levels of sugar, chemicals, and preservatives that can diminish the nutritional value you seek. Unfortunately, these additives have the potential to disrupt blood sugar levels and contribute to various health disorders due to their contents. It's vital to exercise mindfulness in vegetable choices if you have diabetes. While these juices may offer nutritional benefits, they also carry potential downsides that can affect blood sugar levels and overall health. Nonetheless, moderation and portion control can still permit occasional inclusion of these vegetables in your diet. Consuming them in small portions or on special occasions can be considered. Seeking personalized advice from a healthcare professional or registered dietitian tailored to your specific health needs is always advisable. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.